Hi everybody, and thank you very much for clicking on this video. My name is Lambros and I'm a 5th-year medical student and part-time filmmaker, and I would like to welcome you in this complete masterclass on how to design and create thumbnails for our YouTube videos. To give you a perspective about my work, I have been uploading on YouTube for the past 4 years and I have owned 3 YouTube channels. In my first YouTube channel, I gained about 4,000 subscribers in 3 years of hard work, and this happened due to the fact that I pretty much did every single mistake that a YouTuber can do. After learning from my mistakes and gaining knowledge out of the first channel, I created a second channel and run it up to 27,000 subscribers in 1.5 years. And then the third YouTube channel I just launched, and you can subscribe from my profile. Now, that being said, I know from personal experience that the #1 mistake that every single beginner YouTuber does is the fact that he devotes countless of hours on shooting and editing the perfect video and then just spends 10 minutes on coming up with a title and designing a perfect thumbnail for this video. And obviously what happens is that no one ends up clicking on this video because the title and thumbnail are bad. This is exactly why I created this course right here. This is a complete masterclass that we will go through a step-by-step process on how to design the perfect thumbnail for your YouTube videos. In more detail, we are starting with the first lesson of this course, in which we're going to be analyzing how to capture screenshots from your video and combine them with text to create very basic and simple thumbnails that work. In the second lesson of this course, we will be discussing on how to combine screenshots from your video with elements that we will be downloading from the web to make more engaging thumbnail. And finally, in the third lesson of this course, we're discussing on how to create 100% thumbnails from elements that we're going to be downloading from the web. And this means that you don't need to know any photography principles or any videography principles to follow along. Again, this right here is the final guide that I wish I had when I was starting out on YouTube. So thank you very much for sticking up until the end of this video, and I'm gonna see you in the first lesson of this course.